Ira Villegas na nakapag-uwi sa atin ng bronze medal.
Yes.
Alam mo ba, Tala, bakit nakakabilib talaga to? I think, I don't wanna be biased, but among all the Olympians for 2022 na pinadala natin, feeling ko kasi si Ira ang hindi masyadong napag-usapan.
Yes, totoo, Coach.
Okay, pero pag ang life story niya ang pinagbasihan, ito ang pinaka-inspiring.
Bakit, Coach?
Okay, sige. First of all, nakakabilib because it is the first time of Ira to join the Olympics this year. And Practicalers and Kaabante and Tala, the first time she joined this year, she immediately won bronze medal.
Napakaswerte niya, Coach.
Well, siguro swerte para sa paningin mo,
Yes,
pero
Coach.
sa akin, it's a combination of hard work, perseverance, and never giving up.
Yes.
Kasi